In this video, we'll dive into the unanticipated loophole in Subclass 186 visa regulations, the prolonged delays in permanent residency processing for skilled migrants, the influx of New Zealanders, a valuable opportunity for international students, but with a catch, and the potential return of a controversial visa. Stay tuned and watch till the end to get all the crucial details. Recent developments in Australian immigration policy. Here are the 5 critical updates. Australia's immigration policies are undergoing rapid transformations, with certain changes favouring prospective migrants, while others present potential challenges. For individuals aspiring to study, work, or establish permanent residency in Australia, staying informed about these developments is essential. Recent adjustments encompass modifications to visa regulations and significant shifts in permanent residency criteria. Here are 5 pivotal immigration changes that may influence your future plans. Are you looking for the latest Australian immigration updates? Subscribe to us now and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. And now, back to our video. First, let's talk about the unanticipated loophole in Subclass 186 visa regulations. Traditionally, the Employer Nomination Scheme Subclass 186 visa required applicants to have 2 years of continuous employment with the same sponsoring employer to qualify for permanent residency. But, recent policy changes have introduced greater flexibility, allowing skilled workers to accumulate the necessary work experience across multiple approved employers over a 3-year period. This adjustment facilitates the path to permanent residency for individuals who have changed employers within their approved occupation. However, it is important to note that not all occupations benefit equally from this change. Specifically, individuals lacking the required skills assessment may not be able to take advantage of this new provision. Now, let's discuss the prolonged delays in permanent residency processing for skilled migrants. The recent expansion of the Consolidated Skilled Occupation List has introduced new permanent residency pathways for professions such as childcare workers. However, a significant challenge has emerged. Many skilled workers are unable to apply due to the absence of required skills assessment procedures. For example, the Australian Children's Education and Care Quality Authority, the designated authority for assessing childcare professionals, currently does not offer skills assessments for standard childcare roles. Consequently, while these workers may meet the qualifications for PR in theory, they are effectively precluded from applying. The timeline for addressing this issue remains uncertain. Next, let's talk about the influx of New Zealanders. Some attribute Australia's housing crisis to international students, but the numbers tell a different story. In 2023-24, Australia granted 178,000 visas to New Zealanders, compared to just 37,673 student visas. Despite this, international students are frequently blamed for rising rents and overcrowding, while the significant arrival of New Zealanders goes largely unmentioned. This discrepancy demands attention. Now, let's go through a valuable opportunity for international students with a condition. The National Student Ombudsman's Office has officially opened, providing international students with a mechanism to challenge unfair treatment within universities. This allows for formal investigations into complaints related to discrimination, course exclusions, and fraudulent practices. However, a significant limitation remains: students in the vocational education and training sector are entirely excluded. Those enrolled in private colleges or trade schools do not have access to this protection. And finally, the potential return of a controversial visa. The Significant Investor Visa, which was discontinued in 2023, may be quietly reintroduced by opposition leader Peter Dutton. This visa allowed wealthy foreign investors to fast-track permanent residency by investing $5 million in Australia. It was abolished due to concerns over money laundering and unequal access. However, migration agents and major investors are advocating for its reinstatement. If it returns, does this mean Australia is prioritising financial investment over skilled migration? Now, in conclusion to today's video update. Australia's immigration changes bring both opportunities and concerns. While some pathways are expanding, others are creating prolonged uncertainties for skilled migrants. Those intending to study, work, or migrate to Australia must stay informed about these developments to avoid potential setbacks. Our video update for today ends here. If you found it helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.